What is up, everyone? Welcome back to your daily stimulus check news. The topic of today's video is your fourth stimulus check update. Today is May 7th. Let's get right to the very first article. Fox Business, you know it's reputable, you know it's legit. Fourth stimulus check update. Over 1 million more stimulus checks just went out. Some people are eligible to receive them, some people are not. Here's who's actually going to get one. That's the very first article. Then we have this article right here. USA Today, more stimulus checks are on the way. The IRS just distributed over 1.1 million more stimulus checks. Not only that, they also included plus up payments. Comment below if you remember and recall me saying this. And finally, we have USA Today and Fox Business, very credible news sources confirming it. But real quick, I just want to say a big congratulations to Sharon. If you don't recall, Sharon Brown was our last Amazon gift card giveaway winner. As you see right here, I said I apologize for not replying. I get over 500 email messages every single day, which I do. Not only that, guys, I actually do work a 9 to 5. I do go to college. I'm finishing up my bachelor's. I literally have multiple classes. It's finals week. But Sharon did reply. She said, I found the code, email, thank you, exclamation point, and God bless. God bless you as well, Sharon. Not only that, God bless America. God bless each and every single patriot. I genuinely appreciate each and every single one of you. If you want a chance to win, 2 seconds out the video right now live to pick a winner from the last video's comment section. 150 comments. Let's pick a winner live. I believe in you, Annette Williamson. Congratulations, Annette. Please email me averagetuber@yahoo.com. You are the Amazon gift card giveaway winner. You have 24 hours to email me. Email me by the end of the day, averagetuber@yahoo.com. If you guys are watching live right now in the live chat as members, please comment below. Say congratulations, Annette. Congratulate her. If you want a chance to win just like Annette, all you have to do is you must hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, comment the word of the day. I want to let you know I post daily videos and I give away free Amazon gift cards, free money giveaways every single day. All you have to do is you must hit that like button, you must hit that subscribe button, and comment the word daily. Why daily? Because daily videos, daily free Amazon gift cards. Comment below if you guys actually believe me and if you guys actually can vouch for me. Just put he's legit just to confirm every single day give away money. Let's get back to the articles. Basically, Fox Business, as we see right here, the IRS announced Wednesday that's actually dispersing approximately 164 million payments to eligible Americans. As we see right here, some people are eligible to receive it, some people are not. Fourth stimulus checks, according to the IRS, this new batch of stimulus check payments is valued at more than $2 billion. Not only that, but right here, as you see, plus up payments are actually on the way for taxpayers. Again, the IRS will continue to issue stimulus payments on a weekly basis, aka plus up payments. Again, some people are eligible, some people are not. Unfortunately, it looks like allegedly, it looks like only people with children are actually qualified. Again, it's not confirmed. This is just what I'm guessing right here, my guesstimate. USA Today, 1.1 million Americans. In my personal opinion, I think it should go for everyone. I think everyone should get less. Why do only people with children get it and people without children get absolutely nothing? Let's meet in the middle. Let's give it to everyone, but let's give less money, right? How come we only had one $600 stimulus, but now, you know, people are getting literally weekly and monthly stimulus checks to have children, while some people get nothing? But more than 1.1 million new stimulus checks worth over $2 billion. You have USA Today, you have Fox Business, very credible sources. That's pretty much it today, guys. Just a very quick video. I just want to let every single person know I genuinely appreciate you. If you come every single day, hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, share this on Facebook, guys, share this on Twitter, your social media. Also, every single day I give away free money. If you want to support me, hit this white join button for 99 cents. It costs less than $1, guys. All the money actually continues me to allow me to actually keep doing daily giveaways. Not only do I give away money every single day, I give away all the money I make on my YouTube channel, and I'm actually being censored. You know how many people comment below saying, you know, I actually subscribe, I hit the notification bell, but I don't, you know, get your videos recommended. Not only that, but how come I'm not allowed to play videos, but other people with over 1 million subscribers meet Kevin and make more money for YouTube and he makes more money? How come he can play videos, right? How come his videos get pushed by the algorithm by YouTube? Please, guys, come back every single day. Come back daily. I post daily videos. Even if you don't see one of my videos, just at least check on my channel every day. Every day I post daily videos, minimum one video. I've been posting daily videos for a year. I've been giving away free Amazon gift cards for a year. Enter the giveaway, hit that like, hit that subscribe, share this on social media, hit join if you have an extra 99 cents. It all goes to a good cause. That's it for today, guys. Have a great day. Peace.